New York State and New York City government agencies came together to issue a challenge to air conditioning manufacturers for an innovative solution to meet the heating and cooling needs for New York City public housing. They called it the Clean Heat for All Challenge. In 2019, New York City passed Local Law 97 as part of its Climate Mobilization Act. This law was an ambitious plan to reduce greenhouse gas emissions produced by the city's buildings that plays into the United States' larger goals as part of their participation in the United Nations Paris Agreement. The first step in this goal is to reduce emissions 30% by 2030 and 80% by 2050. Many of New York City's buildings utilize fossil fuel-based steam for heating, so to meet the requirements of Local Law 97, these systems will need to be updated to lower greenhouse gas emitting systems, or switch to ones that support the transition to electrification. With 285 developments consisting of over 168,000 apartments, the New York City Housing Authority, known as NYCHA, knew the goals posed by Local Law 97 would require innovative solutions to accomplish the task at hand. As a result, NYCHA set out to find a window-mounted heat pump that would allow them to remove systems so reliant on fossil fuels. To do this, NYPA, the New York Power Authority, along with NYCHA and the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority, created design targets set to incentivize technology able to meet cold climate heat pump levels while achieving ultra-high efficiency. The Clean Heat for All Challenge specified the capacity, efficiency, and operating requirements for the heat pump. Requirements for performance criteria included a capacity of 9,000 BTUs in a window-mounted heat pump that could achieve a COP of 2.35 and operate down to negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit without auxiliary heat. The system had to utilize an inverter compressor with a low GWP refrigerant and manage condensate internally to prevent dripping down the side of the building. There were many more requirements included in the 51-page spec document, including BACnet capability. After all the bids were in, Midea was awarded business to provide 20,000 units to be installed in NYCHA buildings, planning to start in 2024. The New York governor and New York City mayor held a press conference to announce the end of the competition and highlight the innovation that resulted from it. Since the announcement and following media coverage, multiple organizations and municipalities across North America have expressed interest in the new packaged window heat pump unit as opportunities in their region. To meet the design targets in the Clean Heat for All Challenge, Midea had to invent new systems and technology to achieve low temperature operation and advanced condensate management. With Midea being a leader in cold climate heat pump technology through our ductless products and our leading innovation in the window AC space with the Midea U, it was a natural progression that we would be able to bring these two things together to create a new product category. Midea is calling the product developed for the Clean Heat for All Challenge a packaged window heat pump, or PWHP. It looks a little like a window AC, but performs like a mini split. Our PWHP achieves a target capacity of 9,000 BTUs and COP of 2.35 at 17 degrees Fahrenheit, as defined by the challenge. This was accomplished using a vapor injection inverter compressor with R32 refrigerant and a unique heat exchanger scheme. New for the window air conditioner category was developing an active defrost and condensate management system that can operate at very cold temperatures. This was a major challenge because the spec requires that electric heaters can't be used. We have been able to demonstrate heating and defrost capability with condensate management down to the minimum heating temperature, negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. The challenge awarded design points based on decreasing how much the window was blocked with the unit installed. These criteria led Midea to a saddle shape that fits over the wall and taking up very little space in the window. To achieve all the goals and installation of this product, we patented a new design using an included bracket where the outdoor section of the unit is hinged and can lay flat for installation before rotating down once in the window. The design also includes a telescoping section to allow for different wall thicknesses. The window kit developed for this product will also have improved sealing to reduce air infiltration compared to the typical window AC installation. To help manage the condensate during defrost and cooling, the Midea PWHP uses a self-contained condensate system that can help increase room humidity during dry heating seasons and get rid of excess condensate in room humidity and cooling seasons. As mentioned before, this is being done without the use of electric heaters, including the drain pan, and this part of the spec was one of the key challenges since condensate was not allowed to be drained outdoors like a conventional window AC. Solving the condensate issue also created a new opportunity. With the condensate management system Midea developed, humidity can be added back into the room to improve consumer comfort by using condensate water generated outside and evaporating it on the indoor coil during heating. For the first time, a window-mounted heat pump will be able to add humidity to the room, and once the desired humidity level is reached, it can stop increasing that humidity. The other primary function of the condensate management system is to remove excess condensate during operation. Midea's unique condensate management system meets the requirements of the challenge by not dripping excess condensate out the back of the unit. As requested in the Clean Heat for All Challenge, manufacturers were asked if they could offer a solution with BACnet capability to integrate with NYCHA's current building management system. Midea is offering a wireless BACnet system with mesh capability to improve NYPA and NYCHA's ability to manage the PWHP ecosystem, in addition to other building systems currently connected to BACnet. The mesh capability provides further reliability in their connection, as well as the ability to use fewer access points. Midea's packaged window heat pump is a new and innovative room air solution providing year-round comfort even in cold climate conditions. The Midea PWHP will help NYCHA's buildings meet New York City's Local Law 97 by supporting electrification goals. The design includes an innovative installation method and condensate management system, further advancing the room air category.